Hello! And welcome to a new episode of Whisper to the Baby! Today, I teach to you a good hold position for baby because it makes a baby very calm. You take the baby on the back and hold in your arms like that one. You must be very careful not to drop the baby. And the baby, you see, he very relaxing. He loves to be in this position and make the baby very calm. And sometimes you can do this one, side to side, and you say, rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye, baby. You see how the baby just stared up into space and very calm. He liked this one very much and no struggle to leave the position. So this is how you make a baby very calm by putting this position. Next time I give to you a new episode of Whisper to the Baby.